Yes, we started with the direct, indirect speech, which is called as the reported speech also. We discussed what is direct form, what is indirect form, what changes we make, the two parts of the sentence, that is reporting verb and the reported speech, how we change the direct form into indirect form, and then we discussed about the change of the persons. After that, we discuss about the change of the tenses, and we discussed about the simple sentences. The main rule which you have to keep it in mind is that if the reporting verb is in the past, the verb in the reported speech will also change according to the table that we discussed yesterday. That means all the present forms will change into the same past form. Past simple changes into past perfect, past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Simple agar tenses nahi yaad rehte, you keep the words in your mind. That second form will change into had plus third form, was were changes into had been, and past perfect and perfect continuous, no change. Will shall, that means the future form, any future tense form will be there in the reported speech. You will change will or shall into would. Then in the models, can changes into could, may into might, must into had be, had to, plus first form. Main verb will remain in the first form only. That will not change. So accordingly, we discussed about the change of the adverbs also. The words of nearness, of time and place changes into different forms. Then we discuss some simple sentences that if we have present tense, it will change into past indefinite. If we have continuous, present continuous, it will change into past continuous. If we have present perfect, it will change into past perfect. And if it is present perfect continuous, it will change into past perfect continuous. Now coming to the next form, that is question form, or you can call as interrogative sentences also. Please be particular understanding how we change the question form. In the question form, you must note down somewhere that we have two forms. There are two types of question form with us. Number one, starting with the WH words. That is WH question form. The sentence starts with the WH word, who, which, when, where, whom, what, why, how, etc. in the reported speech. In the reported speech, we have the sentence or the speech that starts with the WH word. This is first form of the question form, that is interrogative sentences. Second form is when the question starts with the helping verbs of different tenses. Different tenses means when we get the answer of that question in yes or no. Yes, no questions जिसको हम कहते हैं. Suppose it is present tense, तो question will start with do or does. Past है तो did के साथ शुरू होगा. Perfect है तो has, have, had होगा. Continuous is MR, was, were. Models हैं तो can, could. Future form है तो will, shall. So when the sentence starts with these helping verbs is MR, was, were, can, could, will, shall, do, does, did, may, etc. That means any helping verb which we use in the tenses or in the models. Any helping verb. When the sentence starts with, this is known as helping verb question form. So first thing that we have two types of question forms. One is WH question form and the second one is helping verb question form. Clear? Now how we change these sentences? First look at the example. The doctor said to the nurse, which injection will you give to the patient? The sentence is in WH question form starting with which. Okay? And it is in which tense? Will you give? Will plus first form, it is future indefinite. So how we are going to change this sentence? First thing, the reporting verb in the simple sentences we used to change said into told, but now what you will do, you will change said into asked. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन फॉर्म है तो आप क्या करोगे, आस्क्ड और इंक्वायर्ड. बेटर टू यूज आस्क्ड because with inquire you need to use some preposition also and that can be wrong. ठीक है, so simple form लीजिए, जब भी question form आती है use asked for the reporting verb. The doctor asked the nurse. said की जगह हमने क्या किया, asked. simple में हम क्या कर रहे थे, told. Again to is removed as we do in the simple sentences. Then see the sentence, inverted commas are removed after nurse and no conjunction is added. nurse के बाद word which आ रहा है जो कि हमें direct form में दिया गया है. The same word is used in the indirect form also. That means we don't use any conjunction if the sentence is given to us in the WH question form. Please note down that if the question or the sentence in the reported speech is given in WH question form, we don't use any conjunction. As in the simple sentence, we were using that. Inverted commas remove करके हम that लगा रहे थे. But here, if the sentence is in WH question form, we will not use any conjunction. Clear? The doctor asked the nurse which injection she would give to the patient. Which injection she would. She देखिए कहाँ से आया, you second person changes with the object. Object हमारे पास sentence में क्या है, reporting verb में nurse. So we changed it into she. You subject था तो हमने nurse का subject पर आके she लगा दिया. ठीक है. Then will changes into would. Which injection she would give to the patient. What other change we have noted? That helping verb was before the subject. You से पहले will लगा हुआ था, लेकिन अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we are using would after the subject. This is another change while doing the question form into simple form. That means what is the rule? That question form will change into simple form. Clear? Question form will change into simple form. Question form में क्या pattern होता है? You take the helping verb first, subject afterwards. But when we change into simple form, we will take subject first and helping verb after the subject. But the change will be there. Change according to the rules of the tenses. But the helping verb will be used after the subject. Subject पहले लगेगा और helping verb बाद में लगेगा. So you have noted here, will you give to the patient? किस form में change हो गया? She would give to the patient. पहले she लगा, would बाद में लग रहा है. ठीक है? So please note what changes we have seen. First, reporting verb said change into asked. To is removed. Inverted commas removed. No conjunction used if the sentence is given in the WH question form. Then question form is changed into simple form. That means we have used the helping verb after the subject. Changes are there. We will change the subject according to rule. We will change the tense according to rule. Helping verb will change. But the position, the placing of the subject and the helping verb will change. We will bring subject first, then helping verb. So the sentence will become simple sentence. Though the WH word is used, but the helping verb is taken after the subject. So the sentence is now in simple form and there is no question mark at the end of the sentence. Please note down, there is no question mark at the end of the sentence. So the sentence is, the doctor asked the nurse which injection she would give to the patient. See the second example. In the same form, the patient said to the nurse, who is my doctor? The patient asked the nurse who his doctor was. Is changes into was. Subject हमारा क्या है? My doctor. My is first person pronoun and doctor is third person. So first person will change with the subject. Subject क्या हमारा? The patient. और हमें क्या चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट चाहिए, नाउन चाहिए या प्रोनाउन चाहिए? हमें माई की जगह प्रोनाउन है तो प्रोनाउन ही चाहिए थर्ड पर्सन का. सो वी हैव यूज्ड हिज डॉक्टर वॉज. इज को हम सब्जेक्ट के पीछे ले गए हैं. Now the sentence has become simple sentence. We are not using any conjunction because it is a WH question form sentence in the reported speech, and we are not using any question mark because it is a simple sentence now. We have taken the helping verb after the subject. Clear? The patient asked the nurse who his doctor was. Coming to the second form, that is helping verb question form. Look to the right side of the slide. First sentence, the patient said to the nurse, is the doctor in? Now see, the sentence starts with helping verb is. Helping verb kya aa raha hai isme? Is. So it is a helping verb question form. No WH word is used. So there is a little change in the rule between from the WH question form. In the WH question form, we don't use any conjunction. But if the sentence is given in the helping verb question form, we will use conjunction if or whether. वन कंजंक्शन दोनों में से आपने यूज करनी है, आइदर इफ और वेदर, WHETHER, वेदर. क्लियर? द रेस्ट रूल्स आर सेम एज वी हैव यूज्ड फॉर द WH फॉर्म. क्या है? द पेशेंट सेड टू द नर्स, सेड चेंज इनटू आस्क्ड, टू इज रिमूव्ड, inverted commas removed, and we have used if there, then subject is taken first, then helping verb afterward. Clear? Means again the question form is changed into simple form. The patient asked the nurse if the doctor was in. If कंजंक्शन लगाई हमने इन्वर्टेड कॉमास रिमूव करके, सब्जेक्ट द डॉक्टर, इसको चेंज किया वॉज में, प्रेजेंट चेंजेस इनटू पास्ट, और सब्जेक्ट के बाद लगाया इसको इफ द डॉक्टर वॉज इन, एंड देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन मार्क, नो इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. क्लियर? Then second sentence, the patient said to the doctor, am I for mucus fibrosis? The patient asked the doctor, see the changes, said to change into asked, no inverted commas, removed, inverted commas removed, and conjunction if is used. The patient asked the doctor if subject is I is first person, it will change with the subject of the reporting verb, and the subject here is the patient. So we have taken he instead of I as subject, and the sentence is if he was. हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या था हमारा? एम. आई के साथ एम था, अब हमारा सब्जेक्ट हो गया ही. व्हाट वी विल टेक इज को पास्ट में चेंज किया वॉज. ठीक है? वी आर चेंजिंग प्रेजेंट इनटू पास्ट ऑल्सो. टेंसेस चेंज है, बट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल गो आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. नाउ सब्जेक्ट पहले लगा रहे हैं हम, आई को चेंज किया ही में, उसको हमने पहले यूज किया, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब. If he was suffering from mucus fibrosis. Clear? So in this way, what changes we have made? If the sentence is in the question form, there are two question forms. One is WH question form, second is helping verb question form. If we have WH question form, we don't use any conjunction. If there is helping verb question form, we use conjunction if or whether. This is the only change in these two. Difference in these two sentences, WH and the helping verb. The rest other rules are same. We change said to into asked. We remove the inverted commas, and we don't use any conjunction if the sentence is given in WH question form. If it is helping verb question form, we use conjunction if or whether. Then the question form changes into simple form. That means we take subject first and then the helping verb after changing according to the rules. We will change the subject also according to the rules. We will change the tense also according to the rules, but the subject will be taken first and the verb or the helping verb will be taken afterwards. We will not put any question mark at the end of the sentence and no inverted commas at the end of the sentence. Clear? Any doubt to anyone for the question form? Yes, Ram Avasthi beta, you were raising hand.
And from where this suffering came from in the second question?
Beta, it was a typing mistake.
Okay, ma'am.
It was a typing. Am I suffering from mucus fibrosis? The sentence is this only. That has been changed. Suffering is missing from the first sentence. Typing mistake.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt to anyone according to the rules or for changing anything? You can raise your hands quickly. Otherwise, I'm moving to the next form. Quickly raise your hand if you have any doubt. No doubt to anyone? Everything clear? Should I go forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Coming to the next, we have imperative sentences. Can anyone explain what are imperative sentences? What is an imperative sentence?
Ma'am, the sentences which give command, order, and request.
Yes. Any other recognition? Any other recognition? One thing she has told that the sentences which have order, command, request, advise, they are known as imperative sentences. Yes. Any other recognition? Simply up
Ma'am,
sentence.
in
Yes.
reported speech, these sentences start with let.
No, it is not always with let. It's not always with let.
Ma'am,
If I
it can start with let also.
Yes, it can start with let also. But what is the simple recognition? Simply sentence हमारे पास imperative form में कैसे होते हैं? If I say open your book, write in your notebook, see at the screen, switch on the fan. All these sentences are imperative sentences. Can you recognize anything from these sentences?
Command.
That is there, beta. Along with this, anything else?
We are starting with
They
the
are
let.
in second form.
They
That
are,
their subject and object are
yes. What about subject? Sentences write in your notebook. Open the door.
Ma'am, subject is in second form.
Subject is,
subject is not
It is
there.
starting with some action. Subject is a verb.
what is called this action? Action को हम क्या कहते हैं? Action words are known as
Verb.
verbs.
Verbs.
Is there any subject in the sentence?
No.
I say
No, ma'am.
open the book. Close the door. Is there any subject?
No.
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So you must recognize the sentence when there is no object, there is no subject in the sentence, sorry. Object is there, but there is no subject in the sentence. Always, what is the pattern of the simple sentence? We have subject and verb. This is the simple pattern of our sentence. कि एक sentence में अगर आपके पास subject और verb है, तो it is a complete sentence. ठीक है? आपने sentence की definition पढ़ी ना? When it gives you a complete sense to you, this is known as a sentence. And what are the requirements of a subject in the sentence? The requirement of a complete sentence is we need a subject and a verb. This is called a simple sentence. But in these sentences, we don't have the subject and it starts with verb. Which verb? Open the door. Close your
Helping
book. It starts with
Helping verbs.
no, beta. There is no helping verb.
First form of
First
verb.
form of verb.
First form of-
Yes. It starts with the first form of the verb. ये ध्यान रखना है. आपको सेंटेंस कैसे पहचानोगे? आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा कि ये ऑर्डर है, रिक्वेस्ट है, एडवाइस है, ऐसा नहीं समझ आ रहा. But you can recognize very simply from the sentence pattern. There is no subject in the beginning and the sentence starts with the first form of the verb. Simple first form, no helping verb. Close the door, open the book, shut the window. All these sentences are starting with the first form of the verb. So those sentences which give some expression, some meaning of order, request, advise, and they start with the first form of the verb. There is no subject in the beginning of the sentence. That is known as imperative sentences. Clear? Now you must be clear about the imperative sentence. So how we are to change these sentences if we get the imperative sentence in the direct form in the reported speech. First thing you have discussed just now that these sentences tell us about order, request, advice. Okay. Second and fourth sentence thing that we come to know that sentences starting with let in the reported speech. Then if the sentence is given to you in the form of order, positive order hai, so sentence starts with the first form in the reported speech. It was written on the screen and you people were not able to find out. If there is any sentence in the positive order, positive request or any advice, it will start with the first form of the verb. Clear? V1. See the example. The nurse said to the ward boy, open all the windows of the room for ventilation. Open, क्या है? First form है. There is no subject. But you must be clear, but there is no subject given, but automatically what is considered as the subject here? You. सेकेंड पर्सन सब्जेक्ट यू जो है ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पर कंसिडर किया जाता है. सपोज आई से यू ओपन योर बुक्स. मैं आपको क्या कह रही हूँ? ओपन योर बुक्स. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी सब्जेक्ट इन द बिगिनिंग, लेकिन ऑटोमेटिकली आप अगर मीनिंग समझते हो तो क्या कहा जा रहा है? यू ओपन योर बुक्स. मतलब मैं आप लोगों को कह रही हूँ, सेकेंड पर्सन जो सुन रहा है मेरी बात को. क्लियर? आई एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन and I'm talking to you. So the subject here is you, which is not written in the sentence, but automatically it is considered that you will be taken as subject here. Here. So look at the sentence. How will change these sentences if we get any sentence in the imperative form? That means first form of the verb के साथ हमारे पास positive sentences आ रहे हैं. Negative मतलब कोई not नहीं use किया हुआ, simple sentence है हमारे पास imperative form में. So how we change? First you have to see whether it is an order, request or advice. अगर request है तो please या kindly लगा होगा. So you will come to know that it is a request. ठीक है? And order and request. Order mostly हम क्या होता है जब कोई एक बड़ा आदमी किसी छोटे से या कोई सुपीरियर कैसे सकते हैं आप अपने सबॉर्डिनेट से, कोई हेड जो है कोई बॉस है वो अपने सबॉर्डिनेट से कुछ पूछता है अपने जूनियर से, तो दैट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एन ऑर्डर. या उनको कुछ काम करने के लिए कहा जाता है तो दैट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्डर. यू कैन कम टू नो फ्रॉम the reported speech what is told in that. It is order, request or advice. So here it is given, open all the windows of the room for ventilation. Ward boy को कहा जा रहा है तो अपने subordinate को nurse कह रही है. ठीक है? So we can use here order. The nurse ordered the ward boy. Again said to change into ordered. To is removed. And how we change here? We remove the inverted commas and we use conjunction to here. टू ओपन, ये कौन सी फॉर्म बन गई? टू ओपन. टू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ग्रामर में हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? यस, एनीवन? व्हाट वी कॉल दिस फॉर्म? टू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज
Infinitive.
Yes, very good, very good. To infinitive form. That means the imperative sentences, when we change the direct form into indirect form, they are changed into to infinitive mood. टू इन्फिनेटिव मोड मीन्स टू इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म में हम उनको बदल देते हैं क्योंकि हमने कंजंक्शन टू लगा दी और हमारे पास फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करी हुई है एंड वी डोंट चेंज दैट वर्ब. यहाँ पर आप टेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंगली वर्ब चेंज नहीं करोगे, जैसे कि आप पहले सेंटेंसेस में कर रहे थे, सिंपल सेंटेंस में करा, क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में करा, बट हियर यू विल नॉट चेंज दैट टेंस बिकॉज वी हैव यूज्ड टू एंड आफ्टर टू ऑलवेज फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज यूज्ड. ये ध्यान रखना है. कहीं पर भी आप क्वेश्चंस में, राइटिंग पार्ट में कहीं पर भी टू यूज कर रहे हो और उसके बाद अगर आप वर्ब यूज कर रहे हो तो दैट शुड बी इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यू कैन नॉट चेंज दिस वर्ब, दिस विल बी रॉन्ग. सो इट बिकम्स टू इन्फिनेटिव फॉर्म. द नर्स ऑर्डर्ड द वार्ड बॉय to open all the windows of the room for ventilation. Alexander the Great said to his commander, be prepared to attack Persia. Again, be is the first form of the verb used here, and the sentence is Alexander the Great ordered his commander to be prepared to attack Persia. Again, we have seen to added, inverted commas removed, B का हमने alphabet B जो है वो small कर दिया, because now it is a same sentence in continuation. Clear? Now coming to the next form of this, if we have negative sentences in the imperative form starting with do not or never. Please note down, this is the mistake you people commit many times. If we have negative sentences in the reported speech in the imperative form, they will start with do not open the door, do not shut the window, do not open your book. So the sentence starts with do not or never. Never के साथ भी हो सकता है, never tell a lie. ठीक है? So how we are going to change? If the reported speech starts with do not plus first form in the indirect form, do is removed, reporting verb changes into not to plus V1. तो हम क्या करते हैं, reporting verb add करने के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, not to, जो हमने conjunction लगाई थी to, उसके साथ to plus first form तो है ही है, not जो है हम पहले use कर देते हैं, we remove do, not as it is रह जाता है हमारे पास, then we use to plus first form of the verb. Clear? If there is never, then we use reporting verb plus never plus first form of the verb. Clear? Look at the examples. The doctor said to the ward boy, do not allow anyone to enter the operation theatre. The doctor ordered the ward boy not to allow. See the change? Said to change into ordered, inverted commas removed. It is negative imperative sentence. So we are using not to allow, first form. Do not को काट दिया, इसकी जगह हमने क्या किया, not to, then first form of the verb. To infinitive form अभी भी है, not उससे पहले लगाना है, बीच में नहीं लेके आना. आप क्या करते हो, आप यूज करते हो the order, doctor ordered the ward boy to not allow anyone. आप to पहले लगाते हो, not बाद में लगाते हो. So this is wrong. Be particular, not पहले लगाना है, to बाद में लगाना है, then first form. कि to infinitive form जो है वो हमारी बननी चाहिए, ये चेक कर लिया करो सेंटेंस लिखने से पहले. Not to allow anyone to enter the operation theatre. Next example, Joseph Stalin said to his daughter, Svetlana, inverted commas begin, never dance with that young man again. See the example of never. Joseph Stalin ordered his daughter, Svetlana, never to dance. Never पहले, to बाद में, उसके बाद dance first form, so it becomes infinitive form and no inverted commas at the end. Clear? After this, we have some more sentences, examples of the imperative form. Sentences starting with please, kindly plus first form in reported speech. That is requested. Here we see that request is made. So we remove the word please and kindly and we will use reporting verb requested plus object plus to, then first form of the verb. That means same change है जो हमने पहले करी है order वाले में, सिर्फ ये है कि ordered को हमने requested करना है. The patient said to the nurse, please take my BP. The patient requested the nurse to take his BP. ये note करिए कि हमने क्या change करी है, inverted commas remove करे, said को पहले requested करा क्योंकि please लगा हुआ है, then we use to take, to plus first form and please is removed. ये ध्यान रखना है, जब भी आप कई applications या लिखते हो ना, बहुत बार लिखते हो please और kindly, दोनों word लिख देते हो, this is wrong. जब आप requested word लिखते हो तो फिर दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं लिखना, ठीक है. आप कहते हो you are requested to kindly grant me leave या kindly grant me full fee concession, तो ये गलत है सेंटेंस. आपने requested लिख दिया तो फिर ना तो please लगेगा ना kindly लगेगा, ठीक है, because requested itself gives the meaning of kindly or please. Then there are some imperative sentences which start with let. sentences starting with let in the reported speech, reporting verb takes requested, advised, asked, ordered according to the sense of the sentence. ठीक है, according to sentence meaning आप क्या use करते हो, advised, requested use करोगे. The nurse said to the patient, let me give you injection. Let me give you injection. Here also the sentence starts with let. This is also known as imperative form, and we'll see what is the meaning given to us. The nurse asked the patient to let her give him injection. देखिए changes, हमने एक तो simple form करी to let, to लगा के let को as it is रहने दिया, considering it as the first form. ठीक है, me first person था, change किया nurse के साथ, object लिया nurse का, her, you second person, give you here is object, and we will change it with the object the patient. So we have taken the object of the patient, him here. Clear? So asked may be used for doubtful requests or order or advice. अगर आपको कहीं doubtful है तो आप उसमें asked भी use कर सकते हो. The doctor said to the visitor, let the patient lie in peace. The doctor advised the visitor to let the patient lie in peace. Let sometimes use in suggestion also. Let us. ये देखिए, जब let के बाद singular object आ रहा है तो ये order, advice, request होगा. अगर let के बाद us आ रहा है तो ये suggestion होगी. Suggestion क्या होता है कि जो बोलने वाला वो भी included है इसमें. Sushant suggested his friends that they should go for a picnic. इसको आप दो तरह से कर सकते हो. To let परमिशन की फॉर्म में है और यहाँ पर आप सजेशन की फॉर्म दे रहे हो. सुशांत suggested his friends that they should go for picnic. So I'm ending it here. The rest of the part we will do tomorrow. Please revise from your grammar books, whatever you have. You will get the combined assignment for all types.